Hey everyone, this is John from Tulip, and I want to show you an application that we're putting in the Tulip application library. So what we've built is a shop floor messaging application or an instant messaging application. And what it's going to allow you to do is send messages back and forth to your coworkers in a production setting. So I'm going to give you a tour of how it works. So this is the main screen. You can think of it just like an inbox, like as you would in your email. So right over here, you have a list of messages that your coworkers have sent you, lists of who sent it, when it was sent, and then a little readout of the message. And over here on the right, you're going to be able to actually see that message and interact with it here. So let's just send a message to ourselves, and I'll show you how this all plays out on the screen. So we'll click on send a message right here. That'll take us to the screen, which will allow us to type in our message. We can just type in something simple here like, hey, can you actually send messages? Maybe that was a little too long to type for the purposes of this video, but okay, we'll just pick a recipient. I'll logged in as John Smith right now, so I'll pick John Smith, hit send message. The application will clear out all of the information that was in those fields. We'll come back and we should see that we now have a message that I've sent to myself. All right, so I'll click on that message and it'll populate over here. So you can imagine this is just working exactly as your email or Slack might, where you get your list of messages, you click through, and it displays it in a way where you can actually read it. Okay, so a couple of extra features I want to show you. So if we want to clear this message, like let's say we want to read another one, we don't want this text over here anymore, we just hit clear message from viewer, get rid of that. Let's say we want to get rid of this, we've already read it, we're done with it, we do not care about it anymore. We'll click on this and click mark as read. It'll both clear out the message from the display, but it'll also clear out the record from this table over here, letting you achieve that ever elusive goal of inbox 0. If you want to access that message later on though, you could just click this button, switch to archive, and it'll show you all of your historical messages. So we built this as a standalone application, but you can also just build this functionality into your other applications. We'll have tutorials on those, but that's what I have to share with you right now. So look out for this in the Tulip application library. Thanks.